Welcome once again to the latest weather updates from Uganda National Meteorological Authority. My name is Juliet Nanteza. There is a reduction in the wet activities in some areas, and when we take a look at the satellite imagery, it shows that there is a low pressure center on Indian Ocean that is sucking all the moisture towards the ocean, though some areas are still benefiting from the Kong air mass and the local effect. In the morning, we expect some light showers, that is for Kampala and Masaka. Elsewhere, we expect sunny intervals. Western, we expect Masindi to be with light showers. Then other areas, we expect sunny intervals. Eastern, we expect light showers for Jinja, Soroti and Tororo. The north, we expect Karamoja region to be with bright and sunny conditions, and elsewhere we expect some light showers. Later on in the afternoon, Kampala we expect a maximum of 26, and then Nakasongola we expect a maximum of 28 with thunder showers. Eastern, we expect a maximum of 29 with thunder showers. Western, we expect a maximum of 25 in Kabale and Kasese 31 with thunder showers. In the north, we expect a maximum of 29 in most areas with some light showers. Elsewhere, Dubai, we expect bright and sunny conditions at a maximum of 39. Paris, we expect a maximum of 25 with showers. New York, we expect a maximum of 24 with some light showers. And Nairobi, we expect a maximum of 25 with some light showers. That's all we had for you from Uganda National Meteorological Authority. For more info, log on to our website. Have a blessed night.